Welcome to Top 5 Best Buying Reviews. The best red salt lamp is probably one of the most aesthetically pleasing and potentially health-benefiting additions you can make to your home decor, offering a warm, ambient glow that can transform any room into a tranquil sanctuary, while its unique crystalline structure and natural Himalayan salt composition are believed by many to purify the air and create a more calming atmosphere, making it a popular choice for those seeking both beauty and a sense of well-being in their living spaces. Number 5. UMAID Himalayan Salt Lamp. Experience the natural beauty of this hand-carved lamp, made from genuine Himalayan pink rock salt. It casts a soft, warm glow, perfect for creating a serene atmosphere in any room. Easily control the light intensity with the built-in dimmable switch. It's perfect for use as a gentle night light or for setting a relaxing ambience. This lamp is beautifully presented on a sturdy, handcrafted wooden base. It adds a touch of elegance and stability, complementing any decor. It comes with a pre-installed night light bulb, so you can enjoy its soothing amber light right away. Just plug it in and set your desired brightness. Place it in your bedroom, yoga studio, or office to enhance the space. It serves as a beautiful decorative piece that brings warmth and tranquility. This makes a unique and appreciated gift for any occasion. It's a wonderful way to add a warm, inviting touch to a loved one's home or workspace. What we like. This lamp offers a genuine Himalayan salt experience with a handcrafted wooden base for a touch of elegance. Its dimmable switch allows you to customize the ambience, making it perfect for creating a cozy atmosphere in any room. If you're looking for a natural, elegant decor piece that you can tailor to your mood, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Crafted from authentic Himalayan rock salt, the lamp emits a warm, soothing glow that creates a calming atmosphere perfect for relaxation and unwinding after a long day. The subtle pink hue adds a touch of elegance, while the stylish wood base complements any decor with its natural beauty. What sets this lamp apart is its unique feature of 6 heated salt massage balls. When activated, these heated balls release gentle warmth and the therapeutic properties of Himalayan salt, promoting a sense of well-being and comfort. Moreover, the lamp comes with a bulb equipped with a dimmable switch, allowing for customizable brightness to suit any mood or occasion. This versatility ensures that the lamp seamlessly integrates into any setting, whether it's used as a gentle night light in the bedroom or a centerpiece in the living room. Number 4. Shineled Himalayan Salt Lamp. Discover the natural beauty of our Himalayan salt lamp, hand-mined for its rich mineral content. When heated, it releases negative ions to purify your air. Set the perfect mood with its dimmable switch, casting a warm, amber glow. It's ideal for your bedroom, office, or yoga space, promoting relaxation. Crafted with a premium, durable metal basket, this lamp creates a captivating forest shadow effect on your walls. It's like bringing the tranquility of nature indoors. In today's world, it's essential to counteract the effects of electromagnetic radiation. This lamp helps neutralize these negative impacts, especially if you spend a lot of time in offices. Each lamp comes in protective packaging, ensuring it arrives in perfect condition. It makes a wonderful gift for home decoration and a thoughtful present for loved ones. Rest assured, its cord and plug are UL certified, FCC, CE, and RoHS approved for your safety and peace of mind. What we like. This option stands out with its unique retro metal basket design, which creates a captivating flame-like glow and forest shadow effect. It also boasts the benefit of releasing negative ions to improve air quality. If you desire a lamp that is not only a decorative statement but also aims to enhance your environment, this is a great pick. What people say. The beautiful light they emit is definitely mood-enhancing. The glow coming from the cutouts of the trees is very calming. It has a dimmer switch which works great to give you the brightness you prefer. I like the soft glow the salt filters provide, and that it has a dimmer switch. Love the shadow that it casts. Number 3. Artnaturals Himalayan Rock Salt Lamp. Discover the pure essence of the Himalayas with this authentic pink salt lamp. Hand-carved from the finest salt, it's a natural addition to any room. Experience a naturally purified environment. This lamp helps cleanse the air, making it ideal for creating a healthier atmosphere in your home. Invite harmony and balance into your life. It releases negative ions, promoting a sense of well-being and positive energy for mind, body, and soul. Unwind with its beautiful, warm glow. The gentle light creates a peaceful ambience, perfect for relaxation, meditation, or enhancing your home's feng shui. Easily control the light to suit your mood. With an adjustable dimmer, it provides the perfect gentle illumination, ideal as a night light without disturbing sleep. What we like. Crafted from the purest Himalayan pink salt, this lamp is designed to purify and cleanse your space while boosting positive energy. The included dimmer switch ensures you can achieve the perfect soothing glow for relaxation or sleep. If you prioritize a lamp that contributes to well-being and a balanced atmosphere, this is the one for you. What people say. The dimmer switch allows you to effortlessly adjust the brightness according to your mood or the time of day, creating just the right atmosphere. The soft, orange hue really enhances the mood, especially in the evenings, making it perfect for relaxation or even as a night light. The salt chunks are beautifully carved, and the wooden base adds a nice touch of elegance. Setting it up was straightforward, and I love that it has a dimmer switch, allowing me to adjust the brightness based on my mood. Number 2. LOGROTATE 3D Printing Moon Lamp. Introducing a unique night light for your child's room. This moon lamp is crafted with 3D printing technology to resemble a realistic full moon, creating a peaceful environment for a blissful slumber. This moon night light features 16 RGB colors that can flash, fade, or strobe, creating a dreamlike and creative ambience. You can also adjust the brightness to create a soft glow, perfect for a comfortable sleeping environment. Easily change colors and brightness with the included remote control or touch functionality. You can even set a timer for 15, 30, 45, or 60 minutes, making it perfect for any occasion. Enjoy the freedom of a cordless design with its built-in rechargeable battery. Simply charge it via USB from any device and take it anywhere you go. This comfortable night light serves as a perfect decoration for bedrooms, parties, or outdoor settings. It also makes a romantic and mysterious gift for friends and family on any special occasion. What we like. This unique moon lamp utilizes 3D printing for a realistic lunar surface and offers 16 vibrant color options with adjustable brightness. With both remote and touch controls, plus a timer function, it's incredibly versatile. If you're looking for a fun, customizable, and novelty light for a child's room or a unique decorative piece, this moon lamp is a fantastic option. What people say. So many different colors and settings and brightness. Makes a great night light or just an overall fun light. Dimmable, multiple colors and functions, very lightweight, looks really nice in complete darkness. The little one loves the moon, so it was fun seeing the excitement when they get to touch the moon. It was thrown across the room and kicked a ton but still works. I love that you can change the colors and brightness, it really sets the mood. Personally, I like to use it around bedtime or when I don't want to be surrounded by bright lights. It does hold a charge, but I keep it plugged into my PC so I don't have to keep plugging it in. It is also nice to have a little light to carry around with me if I want to. Number 1. Spantik Pink Himalayan Salt Lamps. Introducing our hand-carved Himalayan salt lamps. Each one is a unique piece of natural beauty, perfect for any room. When heated, these natural salt lamps emit negative ions that can improve your breathing and help you sleep more soundly. Wake up feeling refreshed and revitalized. Create a welcoming and peaceful ambience in your home. The warm, romantic pink glow helps relieve stress and promotes a sense of tranquility. These lamps are incredibly versatile, adding divine harmony to bedrooms, living rooms, offices, and even yoga spaces. They are perfect for home decor and functional lighting. Beyond their aesthetic appeal, these natural salt lamps act as air purifiers. They help negate electrosmog and can reduce allergy and asthma symptoms. Experience a profound effect on your health. They increase the flow of oxygen to your brain, contributing to overall well-being and a healthier lifestyle. What we like. This lamp emphasizes a range of health benefits, including air purification and stress relief through negative ion emission. Its versatile design makes it suitable for various settings, from bedrooms to offices, providing a romantic pink glow. If you are seeking a lamp that not only decorates but also actively promotes a sense of well-being and a peaceful environment, consider this choice. What people say. The salt lamp emits a warm, ambient glow that creates a relaxing atmosphere. It's a beautiful piece of decor that adds a touch of elegance to any room. The lamp is easy to assemble and comes with a dimmer switch to adjust the brightness. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.